We've been feeding the birds and it finally attracted a possum. Pretty old possum. That thing has to be 3 to 5 years old. It's full size with a full color. Yep. Eating what the birds didn't eat. Poor birds. Then we're gonna make sure that we don't think he can keep feeding. Run him off. We don't need him sneaking over here around our house. He either came out of the woods because there's like a pile of sticks and stuff back that way and one back the other way, or he came out of the doghouse that we couldn't get the dog to use. So you're gonna see this and some birdies. I guess I'll start with this ugly guy first. Sneaking around looking for food. He's headed back the way he came, so it looks like he came from the doghouse. The doghouse is that way. He's underneath the bed thing. Alright, thanks for watching. Still got the birdies out there looking for the food. We've been feeding them during the whole snow. You can just see them moving. We've been throwing out like rice cereal, grain cereals. Oh, they saw me looking. Thanks for watching.